Top healthiest protein choices, based on science. Protein is known to be the crowd favorite among macronutrients as compared to fats and carbohydrates. Known for its muscle-building properties, it also helps regulate metabolism. However, not all proteins are the same, and in this video we are looking at the best quality protein choices you can make. If you find the video useful, please click the like button and share it with others. Subscribe for more future content. Quality protein should have a high bioavailability, which means that your body will absorb and use it more effectively. It should also include other nutrients such as antioxidants, vitamins, fiber and healthy fats. Great sources of protein come from both plant and animal sources, and getting from both will be ideal. Let's explore the list of the best protein sources you can consume. 1. Eggs. Eggs are the best protein as it contains around 7 grams of great quality protein per egg. They also have the highest biological value among all protein sources. This means that our body can break down and use protein efficiently. Additionally, it is a great source of antioxidants as it contains carotenoids, choline which helps boost heart health, and iron which help transport oxygen in our body. They are also versatile and cheap. They can be cooked as delicious omelettes or hard-boiled and eaten as a quick snack. 2. Salmon. Salmon is a rich source of protein also due to the high bioavailability. It is an excellent source of anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids, which boosts its position in the list. 100 grams of salmon contains about 20 grams of protein. Aim to have wild-caught salmon as it contains more potassium, zinc and iron. They can be part of your salad and sushi. While they may be relatively expensive, canned salmon can be a cheaper option. 3. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a great option as it contains branched-chain amino acid known as leucine. Leucine plays a vital role in muscle protein synthesis and reducing muscle breakdown after exercise. A healthy choice for desserts, have them with fruits and nuts, gems so tasty. 4. Chicken. Chicken contains iron, zinc and high in vitamin B. 100 grams of chicken breast can provide you with about 30 grams of protein. The protein also consists of all 9 essential amino acids. What's more, it is also convenient to cook, and budget-friendly too. 5. Tofu. Tofu, or rather soy, contains all 9 essential amino acids and also have high bioavailability. A cup of tofu contains 25 grams of protein. Soy protein may also help reduce bad cholesterol, therefore, consuming soy would be better than having red meats and for overall health. They are also cheap and convenient to cook. 6. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is a protein-rich alternative to yogurt where it contains 25 grams of protein per cup. The whey protein in cottage cheese has a high biological value. Normally used as a topping to fruits and also used in pasta dishes, it is yummy. 7. Lentil. There are 20 grams of protein in a cup of lentils. Although not a complete source of protein as they do not contain all the 9 essential amino acids, it is high in iron, zinc, vitamin B and contains fiber which is good for your digestion. 8. Chickpeas. Chickpeas contains 15 grams of protein per 1 cup. Additionally, they contain 12 grams of fiber, and is a good source of iron, magnesium and folate. Similar to lentils, they do not contain all 9 essential amino acids. Nonetheless, they are a great healthy protein choice. You can variate your options by including some of the mentioned healthiest proteins. If you like this video, a simple like on the video will help push this useful content to others. Thank you for watching.